one state being Andhra Pradesh, where we have two circles, Vijayawada and Vishakhapatnam. And this particular district headquarter, Paderu, comes under my Vishakhapatnam circle. The circle head, Mr. Anand Kumar, our DGM, is with me. Apart from this, we have two other states under Hyderabad zone, which are Telangana and Karnataka, where again we have two circle offices headed by circle heads of DGM cadre. So Vishakhapatnam, as we know, we've witnessed a lot of growth here. After coming of the new government also, we see a lot of vibrancy here with coming of IT companies like Google and all in Vishakhapatnam. And Paderu was one such place where we thought we have less presence. PNB being, although it is a 133-year-old bank, started in 1885 before independence by the freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai. So bank has been working leaps and bounds, and we have attained 29.8 lakh crore of business on 31st December. But we see the concentration in south of India, especially the remote places, interiors, was a little less. So it is a conscious effort by the bank to expand and open branches across South India. These three states belonging to my zone are the most prominent states of South India, and hence this branch is also one of the 20 branches that we have opened till August in South India, and 17 more we will be opening, and a few of them are in Vishakhapatnam circle. So as we see, Paderu is a very growing place. I have just seen the whole of this place just now, along with my circle head, and I see schools, colleges, and a lot of business activity. Petrol pumps, I can see two petrol pumps are there. Medical college is there. So a lot of things that can be done. PNB being a public sector bank, we believe in financial inclusion, and Prime Minister's vision of connecting each and every Indian at the remotest corner of the country with banking services, providing them financial freedom and independence. So it will be an endeavor to go to the last mile, open bank accounts of the last person available here in this place. We'll be endeavoring to keep BC agents, which are our extended arms providing banking services generally. In fact, they will be from this local area, local people who will be able to interact with the local people here, so that we are able to open Jandhan accounts, provide Mudra, Swanidhi schemes, financing through for business enterprises, opening small shops, or you see any small enterprise that people want. SHG is one of the focus areas here. Self-help groups, we would be very happy to finance self-help group for the growth of this segment of the geographical area of Vishakhapatnam circle. So with these words, we have a very dynamic young team here. The branch manager is here with me, and I request all of you present here and the media also, please encourage this team. It is a new team, and the endeavor will be to provide best customer service and banking services to all the people underprivileged as well as the elite class here. Thank you so much. Thank you.